Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to delete your Discord account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Discord account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Discord app. Here I go. Your profile appears. Firstly, you have to delete or transfer your server to delete your Discord account. So I'm gonna do it. At the bottom, you can see different options. Go to the first option given at the bottom left corner. Tap on that. Your server appears. Now at the top, you can see three dots. Tap on that. Now go to the settings option. Now tap on overview option. Now scroll down. Here you can see delete server option. Tap on that. Tap on yes. Here you have to choose the option. Why are you deleting the server? Here I will be choosing the option server was no longer active. After you done that, you have to go and delete your account. At the bottom you can see the option. Go to your profile option. Now go to the account option. Now scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option delete account. Tap on that. Now you have to enter your password here. After you enter your password, tap on OK. Your account has easily deleted. In this way, you can also easily delete your Discord account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.